Kailains! Welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki official. So for today's video, we are going to Lao Telecom. Yes, samahan niyo ako with this journey. We are going to apply the internet here in Vientiane, Laos. So guys, be with me and samahan niyo ako with this journey. Tara! Yes, another road trip again here in Vientiane. So I will take you in Lao Telecom. So right now we are here at Kailains Road. So you will enjoy the green leafy environment here in Kailains Road. So the weather right now is cloudy and not so hot. And this is the World Trade Center. So as of this moment, it is not traffic unlike the usual time. So yeah, this is the Park Sun. After we pass the Park Sun and Vientiane Center, so this is the landmark. So this is a new establishment here in Vientiane. So this is the morning market before. Actually, there is an opening of the market here, but they transfer already at the back of this building. So this is the bus station here in Vientiane, the central bus station. So if you want to go into Buddha Park or the train station, you can take a ride here. So we are here already at crossing here at Talatsao. So that building is Talatsao. So on my right side, this is Talatsao. So you can do the Western Union also there. We have Western Union, and that orange building is the postal of post office here in Vientiane. So we are already at Lenshang Avenue or the main road here in Vientiane. So we are close already to Lao Telecom. In this area, you can enjoy the green environment here. There's a lot of tall acacia trees. At the end of this road, we need to turn left. And when we reach the traffic light, we turn right. So we almost here. I can see already the red building there. So that red building is the Lao Telecom company. So yes, we are here already at Lao Telecom building. So yeah, we are going inside and we will apply the internet. Actually, a lot of internet provider here in Vientiane, but this is I think the best for our kabayan. So guys, let's check this internet provider, and let's check also what they are going to offer to us. So let's go. You're already at the office. Yes, already. So we are here at inside of Lao Telecom already, and yes, they assist me on how to get the program for their internet, and these are the programs that they are usually offered. So the staff there, he gave me the option to get the 5 Mbps, which is good for already the 3 person in the house. So if you are alone, you can get the 3 Mbps. So they have also this promo if you pay 12 months. So there is 3 months free, and if you pay 6 months, you have 1 month free, and also the installation is free. So after choosing the program or the package, we need to fill out this form. Actually, the form is written in Pasalao and also in English. So in this form, you will put your information, your name, your last name, and your address. You need to locate also your location so that they know already where they can install the internet. So in Lao Telecom, they have staff in Lao speaking and also in English speaking. So it's easily to communicate with them, with their staff, and they are also accommodating with their customers. So I use the Google Map to locate my address, but I'm having a technical difficulties in this Google Map. So I just try to locate again and looking for my address. So this is one of the problem here in locating your address. Sometimes it's going back in the home screen. So after we locate the our address, we will present to the staff of Lao Telecom. After giving the application form, we need to settle the program or the plan that we get. They can accept through cash and through bank transfer, and also through QR code of BCL. So I have a problem on this part because I have only 1,300,000 KIP, which is the one that I need to settle is 1,380,000. So the 80,000 KIP, I pay it through QR code of BCL. So it is really helpful for this to settle these bills and using the BCL one. So let's settle now. Should I pay one pay the 80,000 kip? Because I have only 1.2. That's it, fine for you have what 1.3 only. 80,000 you will pay by 6. So I give the cash 1.3 or the 1,300,000 keep, and the 80,000 will be I pay through one pay or the QR code for BCEL. And yeah, we will wait our application, and after this they will give our form or the receipt that we need to present to the technician if they were going to install already in our house. So we will just wait. So ayan guys, so I cannot vlog actually there in front of the teller because well, I just fill out some forms, and yeah, we just fill we already applied for this internet. Actually they have a lot of promotions here, so if you pay 6 months, there will be additional 1 month free, and also if you pay 1 year, there will be 3 months free. So actually this is convenient, and they have promo also that if you read there will be 2 gig every month on my phone. Actually this Lao Telecom is the number one telecommunication here in Laos, which is Lao Telecom, yeah. And you need also to register your phone number here, and also for the KYC you need to come here in that area, in that 19, so you can register your phone number and register the KYC, which is number one you need to fill out when you arrive in Laos. So I hope this will be a help to our kabayans if you are looking for internet provider. This is Lao Telecom can help you. Actually you can dial under in their customer service, but I don't have here the contact number, but I will just put in here. Yeah, that one. This is the customer service of Lao Telecom. You can communicate with them through English and Lao. So they are so approachable, and like here in the customer service, they just help you, and whatever, even you are foreigner, they can help you on this regarding in your internet. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I hope it will be help our kabayans again. Just comment below if anything what you want to know about Lao. So just feel free comment below, guys. I hope you will connect also to my second account, paper coinage collection. And yan, kop kun kap kop chay lay lay agyamana. Bye bye.